Good evening, fellow parishioners. The Ministry of Evangelization and Lay Formation is happy to present to you a portion of the Gospel according to John, chapter 2, verses 1 to 11, the wedding in Cana. It will be presented by a poem called Pantomime and will be concluded by a very simple creative movements depicting some events in the Gospel. There will be insertions of Tagalog statements to emphasize emotion. Invites us as shepherds and servants of the gospel to witness Jesus' first public sign, a transformative act that bridges human vulnerability and divine glory. In a moment of embarrassment that is running out of wine, Jesus turns 6 stone jars of purification into the best wine, revealing his identity as the bridegroom of salvation. This miracle challenges us to trust in his power to transform our community's limitations into overflowing grace. It calls us to embody Mary's faith and to proclaim that God's abundance is not reserved for the perfect, but for the broken. As ministers of hope, let us embrace this sign. Jesus turns water into wine so that the world may taste his endless love. A call to faith and obedience. In Cana's joyous celebration, where love and laughter fill the air, the wine ran out, a crisis looked near, but Mary's son was there. Si Maria, nababahalang ina, dali-daling lumapit kay Jesus na mahal niya. humarap sa kanya at nagsaad sa anak, sa wari ko'y nauubusan na sila ng alak. Malambing na tumingin sa kanyang anak na naunawaan ang pagkabahala niya at agad siyang nagwika. Di pa napapanahon, maghintay ka't ako'y tutugon sa naaayon. Pinalingan ng ina ang mga naglilingkod. Ang lahat ng sabihin niya, kayo ay sumunod. With gentle words, he spoke to the servants, fill the jars with water, and pour some out. The transformation began. A miracle unfolded. Wine flowed forth, a taste divine. The steward savored the flavor, pure delight, unaware of the source, yet knowing it was right. A sign of God's love, a miracle revealed. In the ordinary, the extraordinary concealed. May we, like the water, be transformed by His touch. May our love overflow with joy, love, and such. For in the unknown, He makes His presence known and turns our darkness into light, our sorrow into song. trust Jesus' words and bring our empty jars to Him so He may fill them with the wine of His love. May this miracle strengthen our faith and inspire us to share Christ's abundance with others. The challenge: how can we be the best wine to everyone? Maraming salamat.